Hi guys, it's me again. Check. Another day, another vlog with Ma'am Joanne. Hi! Again. So, andito kami sa school kasi meron tayong action research. Medyo kabado. Kabado? Hindi naman. So, kakain muna kami kasi maya-maya pa lang magsasalita. Huwag tayong kakabahan. So, good luck sa mga researcher. Wow. Okay, so mamaya, aalamin natin kung tayo ba yung mananalo. So, kakain muna kami, guys. Okay? So, guys, tayo na sunod! So, tayo na sunod na mag-represent.
Hello po, good afternoon po. Thank you very much.
Let's go!
Next po natin itong the TPL learning area po.
Hello po. Audible po.
Yes po.
Thank you, ma'am. And to our senior high school coordinator as well as research coordinator, Ma'am Eileen G. Balye. To my fellow researchers, our distinct panel, isang mapagpalayang araw po sa ating lahat or isang mainit na araw sa ating lahat. Ayan, on behalf of my co-researcher, Ma'am Susain Vina Marie A. Briones, Ma'am Joanne Maleta, and Ma'am Rachel Ann Villamayor, it is my pleasure to present to you our research entitled REACTS, Reinforcement Across Curriculum Teaching Among TBL Students, a cookbook intervention to address grade 12 TBL student challenges in research writing. This study investigates the effectiveness of reinforcement across curriculum teaching among TBL students or REACTS, especially focusing on a cookbook intervention designed to address grade 12 students' challenges in research writing. The intervention aims to enhance students' ability to structure research papers, organize ideas effectively, cite sources accurately, and paraphrase information appropriately. This research aims to answer the following research problem. First is, what are the perceived challenges faced by grade 12 TBL students in research writing with regards to the following variables? A is structuring a paper. Second one is citing sources. And the third one is paraphrasing. The second research questions is there a significant difference between the results of pre-tests and post-tests conducted to grade 12 TBL students? And the third one is, what are the perceptions of the grade 12 students and research teachers regarding the effectiveness of the Project REACT in the improving research writing skills of the students in Las Piñas City National Senior High School, Manuyo Campus? Let's proceed to the context and rationale of this research. Now, let's proceed to the research methodologies. So the research design is a mixed method research wherein we use the qualitative and quantitative method. The participants of this research are the 10 TBL students via purposive, some for quantitative results, pre-test and post-test for students, and for qualitative results, survey questions in 10 TBL students and 2 research teacher. For the instruments, we use pre-test, post-test, and survey questionnaire. And for the statistical tool, we use the t-test to compare the post-test and the pre-test. And for the conclusion of this research, the narrative analysis of survey responses and statistical results indicate that the cookbook intervention has been effective in improving TBL students' research writing skills, particularly in constructing papers, organizing ideas, citing sources accurately, and paraphrasing information. However, sustaining these improvements may require ongoing support, resources, and adaptation to address evolving needs and challenges. Overall, the intervention holds promise as a valuable pedagogical approach for enhancing research writing skills among PBL students. So that's the end of our presentation. Thank you so much po and God bless everyone.
So with that, pwede nang gisahin yung grupo nila, Sir Elmer. Sige, balik-balik sa pagkikisa. Thank you and God
Grabe
bless.
ba?
Thank you po, Sir Mamon. Now, we'll move on. Pwede na kong gisahin na sabi nga ni Sir. Well, mainit na po ang kawali. Very TPL. Sir Pagyo, any comments and suggestions po? Thank you po.
Good afternoon po and congratulations po.
So we do this cookbook intervention. It is a part of their, as per across curriculum teaching, part of their III subject din po. Kasi po they are having hard time po in producing their own research. So ang ginawa po as form of in their intervention, ginawa po as a cookbook process na
Hello po. In addition po doon sa sinabi po ni Ma'am Rachel, nilagyan po kasi nila yun ng innovation, sir. Yung kanilang cookbook, which is, yung sabi nga ni Ma'am Rachel, na dinivide into several regions. And then, doon sa region na yun, sir, kahanapin nila, magkakandak sila ng research kung ano yung mga best delicacies, halimbawa appetizer, main dish, dessert, doon sa region na yun. And then after that, gagawan po nila yun ng innovation. Kumbaga parang siya yung naging across curriculum noong cookery doon sa research nila.
Siguro I suggest na i-develop niyo na po yung design of innovation on study niyo para mas magamit pa natin. At larger na po yung participants. PBLH.
yes po, sir.
Yun lamang po. Thank you very much po.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Oh my God! Tapos na! Naiyak ako. Hingang malalim, hingang malalim. Akala ko magigisa tayo.
Thank you so much po.
Oh. Ay, success. Tapos ng ating research defense. So, akala nyo, student lang ang
And si Ma'am
nagre-research, no? Kahit teachers, nagkakaroon din ng action research for the betterment of our students. Ayan, so awarding na guys. So, tingnan natin. Sinong mananalo? Ang gagaling. Ang gaganda na kanilang mga research paper. Congratulations sa lahat.
announcement of winners for the research paper category. So, of course, we'll have the second runner-up, first runner-up, and the champion for the research paper category. At the same time, for the poster presentation. Kung sino po yung makukuha nating champion, will be our representative for the speaking po, huli po makapasok po ito sa ating division research festival. Before I announce the winners, of course,
Ay, ba?
I would like to thank all the teachers who have supported their action research. Let me announce first the second runner-up
What?
for the research paper category. Utilization of Project X
Ay, wow!
in developing awareness and
Galing.
sustainable practices in grade 11 participants.
Ma'am.
One, for the first runner-up, the enforcement of cross-curricular teaching among PBL students intervention to address PBL student challenges in research writing. Researchers, Ms. Josine Pina Marie O. Briones, Ms. Joanna R. Maleta, Ms. Virginia M. Medina, and Ms. Rachel Ann S.
First runner-up tayo, guys!
And then, yan pa.
No other than
Kinayel.
development and implementation of Project Seeds, enhancing student enrollment and
Deserve.
educational data system.
Sana ano talaga to?
Researchers,
No?
Ms. Maria
Ma-enhance.
Lupa Requena. And to our champion, the one who will represent our school in the
Laka.
poster presentation. So, ipiprint na po natin ito kapag humabot po tayo sa Division Festival. No other than the champion for this school year's Action Research Colloquium.
Don't.
Reinforce cross-curricular teaching among PBL students.
Ang galing! Congrats, Ma'am Susane! Ang galing!
In research writing. Researchers, Ms. Susane Pina Marie O. Briones.
Ang galing naman. Oh, pagkakita ko pa rin, pasabog talaga. So, champion tayo, guys, sa poster. Yay! Road to Division Office. Galing.
Congratulations po.
So, yun, guys. champion tayo sa poster and then first runner-up sa research paper. Oh my God. Kala mo, daming inambag. So yun guys, that's all for today's video. And thank you so much to our panelists sa pagpili sa amin. Yan, thank you din syempre sa ating mga naging respondents sa ating mga action research. And of course, Ma'am Susay, Ma'am Rachel, congratulations to us. See you next year. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching this video and see you again next year sa ating action research colloquium.
Thank you po.
Congrats! Ketchup na lang. So yun guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you division office for the poster and see you again next year. Action Research Colloquium. Bye-bye everyone!
Shoutout po na kami. Shoutout po.
Shoutout po sa mga nanalo, sa mga wait lang. Sa mga ketchup. Wait lang. Pakita kayo. Yay! Hindi pala kita. Hi! Mga team bahay kami kasi, team bahay sila kasi walang pasok. Thank you so much. Bye-bye everyone. See you again. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel.